Hello kids! Welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, let's learn some colors. We have different colors. This is white color. This is dark blue color. This is yellow color. This is red color. And this is black color. Let's learn some more colors. Red color, brown color, dark green color, orange color, black color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, sky blue color, dark blue color, violet color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Circle, triangle, star, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle. Let's color these shapes. Purple color, purple color, circle. Pink color,
twinkle, twinkle,
pink color, triangle.
little star, how I
Red color,
wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
yellow color,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
yellow color,
how I
rectangle.
wonder what you are.
Dark blue color,
When the blazing sun is gone,
dark blue color, hexagon.
like nothing shines
Orange color,
upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle,
orange color,
twinkle,
rectangle.
all the
Let's revise these shapes.
night. Twinkle,
Circle,
twinkle,
triangle,
little
star,
star,
parallelogram,
how I
hexagon,
wonder
rectangle.
what you
Dear kids, do the same
are.
practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.